everybody, so since it's been a year since I got my starter kit from Young Living, I just wanted to jump on here and explain everything that is in the kit just in case anybody had any questions. So when you get your starter kit from Young Living, you get to choose between one of two diffusers. You can pick the Desert Mist diffuser, which is the one that I got. It has multiple different settings and it has a bunch of different colors that it will show. Or you can pick the Dewdrop diffuser. It's a lot simpler to use, and it has a blue light and it has an auto shut off, so it'll shut the light off at the same time that the diffuser shuts off. So you pick one of the two of those, and then you get the starter kit. And then inside the kit, when you open it up, there's some reading materials that just explains what being a member with Young Living is. And then you get 10 oils in the front. Copaiba is the first oil. I use this oil for muscle support. I put it in my muscle roller and I use it daily. The next oil is Digize. Digize is for digestion support, so I put it on a roller with some carrier oil and I just apply it topically to ease any discomfort. So Digize is a blend of ginger, peppermint, tarragon, juniper, fennel, and anise. The next oil is frankincense. I put frankincense in my muscle roller with Copaiba as well. I also put it in the diffuser, sometimes with lavender for sleep. And it's really good for skin support, so I put it on a roller that I apply on my face. The next oil is lavender. I use lavender all the time for sleep support. I put it in the diffuser at night. I have it in a roller bottle that we apply to the back of our necks. So we use this oil. We go through a lot of it. It's probably one of our most used oils. The next oil is lemon. We use lemon in our water. Just put a drop in our water bottle. And then we also put it in the diffuser all the time. It makes the room smell great. And we also use it to clean sticky residue off of like the refrigerator or stickers that were left behind. It gets rid of the stickiness, so it's great. Next oil is probably one of my favorite oils. It's Panaway. I use this one every single day in my muscle roller, and it's the oil that is kind of my gateway oil. It's the oil that was the reason why I decided to start trying essential oils. So this one's really important to me and I use it every day. Panaway is a blend of peppermint, helichrysum, clove, and wintergreen. The next oil is peppermint. I also put peppermint in my muscle roller and we diffuse it a lot. I've also made peppermint brownies out of it, so it's very versatile. I've also made peppermint tea with just a little bit of honey and some hot water, and it tastes really good. Next oil is Purification. We diffuse this and it helps with odor control. We also use this oil on our dryer balls and it makes the laundry smell really fresh. Purification is a blend of citronella, rosemary, lemongrass, and tea tree. The next oil that we get in the kit is RC. It stands for respiratory care. We diffuse this a lot during the winter months. We're diffusing a lot of it right now. to just help with congestion and breathing. We also apply it topically on our chests, and sometimes I mix it in the diffuser with Thieves. It is a blend of eucalyptus, myrtle, pine, lavender, cypress, and peppermint. Next oil that you get in the kit is Thieves. And Thieves is a blend that's based off of some spice traders from the 14th century that were stealing from the rich. And when they got caught, they asked how they were able to stay alive during the plague. And they had to reveal the spices that they were putting on themselves daily. So Thieves is a blend of clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. And we use Thieves all the time. I love putting this in the diffuser. It smells like Christmas. I make hand soap out of Thieves. I really like to diffuse it with lemon, and I like to diffuse it a lot with RC. Sometimes I'll even diffuse it with Raven, which is another essential oil blend. We make Thieves tea out of a couple drops of Thieves and a couple drops of lemon with some honey. And it really helps if I have like some throat irritation or something. And our entire Thieves cleaning line is based off of the Thieves essential oil blend, which is great. Now you can lift up this part of the oils, and there's another compartment down below. And down here comes with another oil. The 11th oil is Northern Lights Black Spruce. Northern Lights Black Spruce is a really calming oil. We use it a lot in the diffuser at night, and sometimes we'll diffuse it during the day if we just need a calmer mood. It smells like Christmas trees. It's great. It has a really woodsy feeling to it. We also have made deodorants and stuff out of Northern Lights Black Spruce. It smells really, really good. Now you also get some samples in the bottom of your starter kit. You get 2 packs of Ninja Red. Ninja Red is the antioxidant supplement from Young Living. It has wolfberries, cherry juice, aronia juice, blueberry juice, and then it also has lemon essential oil, orange essential oil, tangerine essential oil. It's really good. It's got very few calories. I drink probably a pack of this a day. I drink around 2 ounces a day. And it's really good for keeping ourselves above the wellness line. The other thing that you get in your starter kit as a sample is the Thieves Waterless Hand Purifier. I carry this around in my purse. I have one in my car. And we always like to keep these on hand. And it is infused with peppermint oil. It is based off of the Thieves blend. So it has peppermint, clove, lemon, rosemary, and cinnamon bark oil in it. And then it has added peppermint oil into it, so it has a really minty smell to it. It's really nice. So that's everything that comes in the kit. The starter kit works out to be around $500 if you bought everything individually, and signing up with a membership and getting a kit is only just around $200. If you guys have any questions about the starter kit or anything about Young Living, you can shoot me a message or comment down below. I hope this was helpful. If anybody had any questions about the kit, since I can't host any classes this month, I wanted to jump on here and help you guys out if you had any questions about Young Living, since we can't meet at this time. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.